watch the sunset's glow. A spark ignites, the world moves slow. Whispers dance on the evening breeze. Two hearts tangled in a silent plea. Oh, it's a moment in the moonlight.
Do you also have a song in your mind, but you don't know how to make the music, create the instrumentals, compose it perfectly, or you don't even have the lyrics? No matter what your situation is, I got you covered with an all-in-one AI tool for music generation. It's called Singify. It's an innovative AI music generation product launched by Findshare. Check out the description box for the link to the site. After coming to the website, first create an account. Then you can check out what's trending right now. Here you have all the new songs that you can enjoy or take inspiration from. Then there are tools for your creation. You get tools like AI Song Generator, AI Cover Generator, and so on. To find more, go to More AI Tools section. You can see tools to create music from image or remove vocal from the music, or even extend your favorite music to make a longer one. And there are so many other tools as well. You can choose to go with a specific genre like pop, hip-hop, or jazz. Now let's cover a song first, and later on we will create our own song from scratch. Click on AI Cover Generator. You can see an interface like this. On the top, you see the remaining credits you can use. Then there's a section to select the singer or the voice you're going to use to cover the song. And finally, there's another section to specify the song you're going to cover. You can add the song with the YouTube link or upload manually. Then there are some sample audio previews and a simple 3-step demonstration of how you're going to use the tool. Let's just use a YouTube video, so choose the option to add YouTube link. You can actually paste the video link or search for the song here. Let me search for something. Suppose I want to cover this song, so I am going to click on Use. Then the tool will download the audio to use. It might take a few seconds. After the song is downloaded, you see a few more things. You can play and listen to the song here. Then you can select if it's going to be a solo or duets cover and adjust the pitch level. You can also see few advanced settings. Check these out and adjust with your need. After all this, you can hit the Generate button now. Your cover is being generated. Wait a moment. In a few seconds, your song is ready. You can play it here. I am not playing now for copyright reasons, but this is really good. You can also choose a different singer from here. If you want to cover it with your custom voice, go to Custom and create your own singer. Let's create a new song from scratch now. Go to AI Song Generator. Here I have 3 credits remaining. The number of credits it costs depend on the model you use. Now, there are different ways to generate the song. If you already have the lyrics, then select Lyrics to Song and paste your lyrics here in this box. You can also generate the lyrics here. Click on this and create custom lyrics with specific theme, style, and mood. After selecting everything, click on Generate. In a few seconds, you'll get the lyrics for your song based on your inputs. Now, you can also create a random song. Just click on this button, and you get a new song instantly. If you don't have the lyrics, you can generate it with a prompt as well. For that, go back to Prompt to Song. Here, you can basically describe your idea and ask AI to write the lyrics for you. You can also add an image or video for reference. I am not adding any for now. This tool will give you some ideas as well. So I am going to try with this prompt. See, the song is generated. So we have seen a few ways to create the lyrics first. Now, let's move forward to see what to do next. There are different models. Try these out and select any that suits. I am selecting this one. Then you have music style here. It's already selected, but you can change it and choose any that you want. You can select hip-hop, rock, or metal, any style. After that, the most important thing, the signer. There are a lot of different voices here. Choose the one you like for your song. Let's try this voice. Then you can add a reference audio to specify a style of music that you want to follow. And finally, the title of your song. I am not changing this. As everything is set now, just hit the Generate button. After a while, the song is ready. You can now play and listen to it. Like this, you can generate any type of music. This is so easy. This is the pricing for different plans that you can get. Visit the website and check it out. The link is in description.